Hello everyone, my name is Adolfo Arteaga and I'm with Danza Azteca Xochipilli. We share the story of the Aztec people through our vibrant regalias, elaborate headdresses, music and dance for more than 20 years. Our program consists of live music with authentic wind and percussion instruments. The culture we share throughout this program is originally from various cities of Mexico, such as Guanajuato, Guadalajara, and Querétaro. Through our audience interactions, students will have the opportunity to practice skills such as sequencing, learning directions through the 4 cardinal points, and the rhythm through our Aztec basic beat. All the activities are multilingual, deeply rooted into our Aztec culture. Our ancestors taught us to have respect, to show gratitude, and to be kind and disciplined in our everyday lives. These are values we try to convey through our performance, embracing individuality by reconnecting with our roots. We are excited to share this art form with your students at your school.